To open a SIM slot on a Motorola Moto G15, first of all, we'll need to look on the left side of our device. Right here, we'll be able to find the SIM tray. Now, what we need to do is grab SIM ejection tool, which is always included in the package. It looks like this, and stick the pin inside of this gap right there. Just like that. Then make sure to actually put it in so it's halfway there, and then use a bit of a force to release the slot. Now we can remove it. So here's our SIM tray. Let me put the device on the side. And we need to grab our SIM card and insert it in one of those two slots. In this case, I'm gonna go with the slot number 1 right here. It should sit in nicely. Now we need to grab this SIM tray and put it back in our device. So let me grab it properly. So it needs to go just like that. Make sure the wider part is on the top side of your device, and then just slide it in. And now we have our SIM card properly inserted. We need to also enter a pin for our card. And that is basically everything.